Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable or turn on color filters on iPhone. So if you want to enable color filters on your iPhone, but you don't know how to go about it, then here's a video for you. So in this video, you'll learn the step-by-step procedure on how you can easily turn on or enable color filters on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe, as this helps us to grow. So the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app when you want to turn on or enable color filters on your iPhone. Now once open the settings, scroll down the page, locate and click on accessibility. Once you selected accessibility, scroll down the page, locate and click on display and text size. Now once you've selected display and text size, the next thing is you want to scroll down gently until you see color filters. So go ahead and click on that. Now once you selected color filters, under color filters you see color filters, and before you turn on color filters, you can just check through the color filters combination and see yourself. So go ahead and toggle this on to enable color filters. And once you enable color filters, here you have few options available that you can choose from. You have from grayscale, red and green filter, green and red filter, there is blue and yellow filter, and then color tint. So once you selected your choice of color filter, then you can now hit the bar button. So you see that? So that is exactly how to enable or turn on color filters on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.